The JG CloudLink Management Platform addresses challenges in customer management, sales management, production management, inventory management, financial management, cylinder information management, transportation scheduling, and vehicle personnel certification. It also includes convenient features like a mobile mall. The intelligent control system automatically identifies the information of onboard cylinders and uploads the data. The Huaxin fluid dedicated AGV autonomously transports empty cylinders to the designated area for the corresponding medium based on system instructions. The AGV's in-station transfer system features online cylinder recognition, automatic obstacle avoidance, and automatic recharging capabilities. The cylinders use a bulk compartment approach for integrated handling, which facilitates cylinder management safety, reduces labor costs, and increases production efficiency. The intelligent control system issues task instructions, and the AGV automatically transports empty cylinders to the basket-style filling station. The station scanning system automatically reads the cylinder information. The high-pressure filling hose is equipped with a safety anti-sling rope and features two modes of operation: overall pneumatic control for lifting or individual lifting. The root valve operation knobs are positioned on either side of the basket frame to facilitate hazard control during the filling process. Operators follow the system's orders to connect the Huaxin Fluid patented fast filling device. The device is easily installed by pressing the anti-detachment hand pull ring. It securely locks the cylinder valve with dual protection from both a safety pin and gas pressure, preventing detachment. This setup is characterized by its speed, efficiency, and dual protection features. Once all connections are complete, open the cylinder valve, verify everything is correct, and then start the filling process. The basket-style filling shield will automatically close.